for the next pandemic, we'll solve all those problems.
You say the next pandemic, there will be another pandemic.
Absolutely. We don't know when. You know, the risk per year, 2%, 3%.
The next pandemic, and there will be one. There will absolutely be an outbreak of another pandemic.
We definitively will have to face other surprises, black swans, as they are called, maybe different kinds of viruses.
But also there will be a surprise outbreak.
Most of the work we're going to do to be ready for pandemic 2, I call this pandemic 1.
The pleasant surprises which will come in our way.
There's a reason I called this Protector Symposium Apocalypse. There's a reason that I made it about tactics and disaster preparedness. I'm a private security professional. I get paid to mitigate risks, to see things coming. I've seen a lot of things that are coming, and I want you all to be prepared. So I want to invite you to join us for the Protector Symposium 6.0, because there are things coming that I want us all to be prepared for. Learn from some of the world's most elite professionals on how you can protect your family. Last pandemic, my business experienced more growth than I was able to deal with due to all the social unrest. What does that mean? That means civilians and good people had to make do because they couldn't afford professional protectors. I am a protector who believes that his mission on this planet is to multiply protectors like white blood cells, the immune system of humanity. And that's why I run these top-of-the-line training events for all of us. Join us during this event. And whether it's the election that's going to inevitably have more social unrest, or it's EMPs that the government are planning for and training for right now, or it's a cyber attack on the internet, whatever it is that's coming next, or maybe fires in your area, as at least 5 states I can think of in the United States and different countries are on fire at record-breaking pace. No matter what that next black swan event is, you may not be able to hire your own protection team, but I think it's our responsibility to know how to protect ourselves and also build community. Join us at the Protector Nation for the Protector Symposium 6.0 Apocalypse. Yo, go to protectorsymposium.com to get your tickets while they last. They're gonna run out. This event is a once-in-a-lifetime training opportunity, literally.